Hello, you lousy lazy bugger. You're gonna get the rest of those teeth taken out tomorrow, buddy. Big stretch. Can you roly poly back over to me? Roly poly. Can we look in your mouth? Can we see that horrible broken tooth that's gonna go tomorrow? Yeah, and all the rest of the bad toothies. He already had all the teeth out on this side, and tomorrow he gets the rest of this side done. He'll only have his 2 lower canines left. Come here, can I see in your mouth? You're gonna have your 2 lower teeth left and maybe a few tiny incisors. Happy boy. Psst, psst, psst.